Namaste children, I am Mosmi, your maths teacher. I hope you all are well. Previous video I asked you people to complete your classwork and submit to the group, but some of you have not yet completed. So as early as possible you have to complete and submit this to the WhatsApp group. So already we are discussing chapter 2, counting in groups. In that what we have learned? We have learned counting objects in group, more or less, ascending and descending order, and skip counting. So today we will learn another one new things in this chapter. Okay, let's see what is that. So today we are going to learn cardinal number and ordinal number. So what is this? Cardinal and ordinal numbers? Cardinal number. Normally the counting numbers are known as cardinal numbers, like that 1, 2, 3, 4, up to how many we can count. Okay, all are cardinal numbers. So that means it shows the quantity. So when some objects we are counting, we can understand how many quantities, how many things are there. So it will, that means when we will count the things, it will give us cardinal. Like that, if I say how many fingers are there in my hand, so here I can see 5 fingers. So this number 5 is the cardinal number. So like that, here some example is given that 4 ice creams or 2 balloons. Okay, so number of ice creams is 4, number of balloons are 2, number of finger in my one hand is 5. So like that, these are all cardinal numbers. Now ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers will give the order. So when the things are in queue or things are in proper order arranged, so that time we can understand the position of the group. So let us give me one example. So while you are doing the morning assembly in school, so you have to stand in a line. Yes. So previous year, how you are standing, boys? Aryan was the first, then Sai Sheshadri, then Chinmay. Like that, you people are standing. That means first position Aryan, second position Sai Sheshadri, third position Chinmay. So like that way, I can say the position of that children. Correct. So that is nothing but this first, second, third, these numbers are known as ordinal numbers. Okay, so it will shows the position of the things, position of the arranged objects. Okay, position of the making line. So let's see another one. See here, some boys and girls are standing in a line. Yes, how you people are standing in the ground, like that way. Some boys and girls like Anna, Sam, Tom, Mary, Ron, John, Jenny, Kim, Jack, Shelly and Pat. So they are standing in a line. So if I ask you now, where is Jack? Yes, Jack is in 8th position. Okay. Now here is Tom. Tom is in 3rd place. Then where is Jenny? Jenny is in 6th place. Where is Pat? Pat is in 10th place. Where is Anna? Anna is in 1st place. So like that way, this 1st, 3rd, 6th, 8th, 10th. So these all are known as ordinal number. So order, it will represent the order or position of the things or person. Okay. Now, how to write ordinal number? Okay. So cardinal number we are writing 1, 2, 3, 4. So for cardinal number 1, we will write ordinal number first. So we can write in the board FIRST, or we can write 1 and ST will be the above. So here if you write number 1 and ST with that. For second, 2 with ND. Then 3, third, 3 RD. For fourth, 4 TH. 5 TH. So you can observe here this number ST, then ND, then RD, then TH. These all are little bit above the number. Okay, that is called suffix. Okay, so you will learn afterwards. So little above we will write this. So till 20th we will write like this. That means first, second, third is little different. After then all are TH. That means fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, like that we will do. But when it will come 21. So when 21 will come, again we will write 21st. 22 we will write 22nd. 23 we will write 23rd. Similarly again from 24th, 25th. Similarly again when 30 will come, after 30, 31st will be 31 will be 31st. So like that way we will write ordinal number. 31st, 32nd, 33rd. Okay. So this first, second, third always we will write. Only 11, 12, 13th is the TH. Okay. Now so let us see this month. September has 30 days. Okay. But today is 28th. That means I am talking about today's date. How many days are there in September? 30 days. But today's date is 28th. Okay, so this number, this ordinal number will represent only the single things. Okay. Now we will see another examples. So here you can observe so many animals are there in group. So this if monkey is in the first place, if I think this is first, then this small bird is in 5th place. Okay, then dog is in 8th place. So if we count, we can get their places. Similarly, frog is in 10th place and the small rabbit is in 3rd place. So let's see, monkey first place, then a small cub of lion, it is 2nd place, then a rabbit 3rd place, then fox 4th place, bird 5th place, small elephant, papu elephant is it is in 6th place, then deer it is in 7th place, dog 8th place, swan 9th place and frog 10th place. So like that we can write in the ordinal number. Okay. Then some number also we can arrange in ordinal wise. See, India, INDIA. For that I is in first place. Also I is in 4th place. Similarly, N is in 2nd place and D is in 3rd place and A is in 5th place. So like that, school is first place, then C 2nd place, H 3rd place, O 4th place, O 2 times is there, so it will come 4th and 5th place, L 6th place. Okay. So like that way I have written first the ordinal, like first B, second O, third O, fourth K. So the word will be book. Similarly, first P, second E, third N, fourth C, fifth I, sixth L. So it is. So the word is pencil. Again, if you observe here, first is F, second and third is O, fourth T, fifth B, sixth A, seventh and eighth L. the word is football. So like that way, by knowing the ordinal numbers, we can arrange the words also. Also, if we know the ordinal, that means if we know our position, we can arrange the sequence. Okay, so when you have prayer line, so if you know where you have to stand, if you know your position, neatly you can go and stand there. Now home assignment. So what you will write in your classwork? First you will write the ordinal numbers from 1 to 30. Okay, like 1 first, second, sorry, 2 second. So like that way you will write till 30th. Okay, next you will write the identify the position of the given object below. So first object is fruits. You will write the position for that, and second is some animals. Then I have given some words. You have to write the ordinals for the letters. Okay, for each word you have to write, for each letters you have to write the ordinals. Next, I have given some ordinals number. So you have used this ordinal and make the word. Okay, neatly you will write in your classwork and you will send it to the WhatsApp group. So I will check whether you have write correct or not. Okay, so this lesson today it is going to complete. Neatly you have to complete this. So many things is not there in your textbook, but you have to learn. Okay, so this all neatly you have to complete. Thank you, children.